Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Escape hood. Locate the interior hood release lever, usually under the dash on the driver's side, pull it firmly until you hear a click, then release the lever and walk to the front of the vehicle to access the secondary latch. Find the secondary latch by feeling under the hood lip for a tab or lever that secures the hood after the interior release. Press or slide that latch while lifting the hood gently with both hands so it clears the catch, then secure it with the factory prop rod or confirm struts hold it in place before working. If the hood doesn't open, press the hood down with moderate force while an assistant pulls the interior release to relieve cable slack, then try the secondary latch again. Check the release cable for kinks or rust and apply a light lubricant to the latch and hinges to restore smooth operation before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.